So what is meant by data breach? A data breach is an incident in which sensitive, protected, or confidential data has potentially been viewed or used by an unauthorized user. Most often, the term data breach is applied to describe the theft of data. There are hundreds of ways that lead to loss of personal information. Data breach occurs almost in every sector from healthcare to IT industry, but the impact may vary from each and every sectors. Companies that suffer data breach lost more than just confidential information. Their reputation, profitability, and productivity can all be negatively impacted due to these type of data leaks. Some of the real-world examples of data breach includes the Sony PlayStation network breach. The network was down for more than a month, and the breaches resulted in the leak of more than 12 million credit card numbers, as well as the millions of email addresses and passwords, including their home addresses and other data stored in the Sony PlayStation network. The another one was Edward Snowden NSA leak. He was a former National Security Agency contractor, and he is estimated to have stolen about 1.7 million top secret documents and threatened to continue to release them to public, which may potentially cost about some million US dollars. I personally like this guy. So be aware of protecting your documents and personal data, and also just have a look at the report which I attached below for getting a general information about the type of data breaches and how much of these breaches affecting each sectors individually. Thank you.